I thought it'd be a joy and a thrill to show you what actually goes on and what it takes to make a beautiful steering wheel as original on these Ferrari Dinos. There's a lot of painstaking hours and preparation. A very beautiful hand stitch goes on these that you only see on the Momo steering wheels. The small detail is they have the join just left of centre. This steering wheel has suffered from a break where people get in and out of the car. So we've removed the foam there, we've done a weld, strengthened it, reinforced it and put the foam back on. You can't feel we've been in there. I've got 2 steering wheels to do and we're going to give you a step-by-step how to do it and you can enjoy the journey with me. On this Dino steering wheel there's 428 painstaking stitches. Each one has to be pulled tight just by feel and you look down them to see if they're all in a straight line. Pulling too hard or not tight enough will make that stitch stand out. As you can see, the steering wheel's all finished. We've used a very time-consuming stitch, which is original to these steering wheels on a Ferrari Dino. Hope you've enjoyed this video. The steering wheel looks lovely and authentic, and there to be enjoyed. See you in the next vid.